everyone. It's great to be here today. How are you, Mark?
Hello, Emily. I'm doing great. I'm really excited about today's topic, though.
Excited? That is perfect for our topic today.
Yes, it is.
Today, we are going to talk about something adorable. We are talking about pets. Oh, my favorite topic. We will talk about dogs, cats, and taking care of our animal friends. It will be fun.
It will. But first, a small message for you, our wonderful listeners. Please subscribe to our channel, give this episode a like, and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Your support is amazing. Okay, Mark, you seem excited about pets. Do you have any pets?
Great question. Yes, I do. I have a dog.
Oh, a dog. That's wonderful. What kind of dog do you have?
I have a golden retriever. His name is Max. He's 3 years old.
Max, that's a cute name. Golden retrievers are so friendly.
Yes, he is very friendly. He loves everyone. What about you, Emily? Do you have any pets?
I do. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Luna, that's a beautiful name. How old is she?
She is 2 years old. She's a gray and white cat. Very pretty.
Cats are wonderful pets too. So different from dogs, though.
Yes, very different. Luna is very independent. She sleeps a lot during the day.
That's so typical for cats. Max is the opposite. He wants to play all the time.
Really? What does Max like to do?
He loves to play fetch. I throw a ball and he brings it back to me.
That sounds like so much fun. Luna doesn't play fetch. She likes to play with small toys.
What kind of toys?
She has little mice toys and balls with bells inside. She loves the sound.
That's cute. Dogs and cats really are so different. Let's talk about taking care of pets. What do you feed Luna?
I give her cat food twice a day, morning and evening. She also likes fish sometimes.
Fish is good for cats. What about water?
Oh, yes, fresh water every day. Very important. What do you feed Max?
Max eats dog food. He's a big dog, so he eats quite a lot.
I bet he does. Do you give him treats?
Sometimes, when he's a good boy, I give him dog biscuits. He loves them.
Treats are a great way to train pets. Does Max know any tricks?
Yes, he can sit, stay, and shake hands. He's very smart.
Wow, that's impressive. Luna knows how to come when I call her name, but cats are harder to train.
That's true. Cats are more independent, but they're still very loving.
Exactly. Luna purrs when I pet her. It's so relaxing.
That's one of the best things about cats, the purring. Max shows love differently. He wags his tail and licks my face.
Oh, that's so sweet. Dogs are so affectionate. Do you take Max for walks?
Oh yes, every day. We go for a walk in the morning and another one in the evening.
That's great exercise for both of you. Where do you walk?
We walk around the neighborhood and sometimes to the park. Max loves the park.
Parks are perfect for dogs. So much space to run and play.
Exactly. He can run free and meet other dogs. What about Luna? Does she go outside?
Luna is an indoor cat, but sometimes she sits by the window and watches the birds.
That sounds very peaceful. Indoor cats are usually safer.
Yes, that's why I keep her inside. But she has many toys and places to climb the house.
That's important. Cats need to climb and scratch. Do you have a scratching post?
I do. Luna uses it every day. It keeps her claws healthy.
Good thinking. Let's talk about going to the vet. Do you take Luna to the veterinarian?
Yes, once a year for a checkup and whenever she seems sick.
That's very responsible. I take Max to the vet too. Regular checkups are important.
Absolutely. Prevention is better than treatment. Does Max like the vet?
Not really. He gets nervous, but the vet is very gentle with him.
Luna doesn't like it either, but our vet is very understanding with scared animals.
Good vets make all the difference. Now let me ask you, what's the best thing about having a pet?
Oh, that's a great question. I think the best thing is the companionship. Luna is always there for me.
I completely agree. Max is my best friend. He's always happy to see me when I come home.
Yes, pets give us so much love. They're like family members.
They really are. And they teach us responsibility too.
That's so true. We have to feed them, clean up after them, and make sure they're healthy.
But it's worth it because they give us so much joy in return.
Exactly. Are there any challenges with having pets?
Well, sometimes Max chews my shoes when he's bored.
Oh no, that's not good. Luna sometimes knocks things off tables with her paw.
Cats are curious creatures, but these are small problems compared to all the happiness they bring.
I agree completely. What advice would you give to someone who wants to get their first pet?
Think carefully about what kind of pet fits your lifestyle. Dogs need more time and attention than cats.
That's excellent advice. And make sure you have enough money for food, toys, and vet visits.
Yes, pets are a financial responsibility too, but they're worth every penny.
I agree. And pets live for many years. It's a long-term commitment.
Very important point. A dog can live 10 to 15 years, and cats can live even longer.
Right. So you have to be ready for that commitment.
But if you are ready, pets make life so much better. Do you think you'll ever get another pet?
Maybe someday. I might get another cat so Luma has a friend. What about you?
I'm thinking about getting a second dog. Max might like a playmate.
That would be nice for them. Two pets can keep each other company.
Exactly. When we're not home, they won't be lonely.
That's a good point. Though twice the pets means twice the work.
True, but also twice the love. Now, let's talk about some different types of pets. We mentioned dogs and cats, but what other pets do people have?
Well, some people have birds like parrots or canaries.
Birds can be very intelligent. Some parrots can even learn to talk.
That's amazing. And some people have fish and aquariums.
Fish are beautiful to watch, very relaxing. What about small animals like hamsters or rabbits?
Yes, those are popular pets too, especially for children.
They're smaller and easier to take care of than dogs and cats, but every pet needs proper care.
Absolutely. No matter what pet you choose, you have to learn about their needs.
Speaking of needs, let's do a quick role play. Let's pretend we're at a pet store.
Ooh, that's a fun idea. Okay, you can be the customer and I'll be the store employee.
Perfect. Here we go.
Good morning. Welcome to Happy Pet Store. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm thinking about getting a pet for my family. Can you give me some advice?
Of course. I'd be happy to help. Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children, ages 8 and 10.
That's a great age for pets. Are you thinking about a dog, cat, or something else?
I'm not sure. What would you recommend for beginners?
Well, cats are more independent, but dogs are very loyal and playful with children.
That's a tough choice. What about smaller pets?
We have hamsters, guinea pigs, and rabbits. They're easier to care for.
What do they need?
A clean cage, fresh food and water daily, and some toys to play with.
That sounds manageable. Can I see the rabbits?
Absolutely. Right this way. We have several friendly rabbits looking for homes.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. That was fun, Mark.
It really was, and it shows how you can use simple English to get information about pets.
Yes, asking questions like, what do you recommend, or what do they need, is very useful.
And phrases like, I'm thinking about, or can you give me advice, are great for these situations.
Exactly. It's not difficult to talk about pets in English.
Now, let's talk about some fun pet vocabulary. We can learn words for things pets do.
Great idea. Dogs bark when they're excited or see strangers.
And cats meow when they want something like food or attention.
Dogs wag their tails when they're happy.
Cats purr when they're content and relaxed.
Dogs like to dig holes in the yard.
And cats like to climb trees or furniture.
These action words help us describe what our pets do every day.
Right, and there are words for pet care too, like feed, brush, and bathe.
Don't forget walk the dog and clean the litter box for cats.
Very important daily activities for pet owners.
Learning this vocabulary makes it easier to talk to other pet owners.
And to understand advice from veterinarians.
Speaking of advice, what's the most important thing you've learned about pet care?
I think patience is the most important thing. Pets need time to learn and adjust.
That's so true. And consistency. Doing the same things every day helps pets feel secure.
Like feeding them at the same times and having a regular routine.
Yes, pets love routines. It makes them feel safe and happy.
What about exercise? That's important too, especially for dogs.
Absolutely. Even indoor cats need some playtime to stay healthy.
And don't forget about love and attention. Pets need to feel loved.
They certainly do. The bond between pets and owners is very special.
It really is. Okay, Emily, here's a big question for you.
I'm ready.
If you could have any pet in the world, what would it be?
Wow, that's a tough question. I love Luna so much, but if I could have any pet, maybe a dolphin.
A dolphin. That's very creative. They're incredibly intelligent.
I know it's not practical, but they seem so friendly and smart. What about you?
I think I would love to have a horse. They're beautiful and you can ride them.
Horses are majestic animals, but they need a lot of space and care.
True. That's why we have to be realistic about what pets we can properly care for.
Exactly. The best pet is one that fits your lifestyle and that you can give a good home.
Well said. Whether it's a dog, cat, bird, or fish, every pet deserves love and proper care.
And every pet gives something special back to their family.
They teach us about responsibility, loyalty, and unconditional love.
That's beautifully put, Mark. Pets really do make our lives richer.
They do indeed. Let's talk about some common pet problems and solutions. Sometimes pets get sick or have behavior issues.
That's a great topic. What should people do if their pet isn't eating properly?
First, check if the food is fresh. Sometimes pets won't eat old or spoiled food.
Good point. And if the food is fine, it might be time to visit the vet.
Exactly. Loss of appetite can be a sign of illness. What about when pets are too energetic or destructive?
Dogs that chew furniture or bark too much often need more exercise and attention.
Right. A tired dog is usually a well-behaved dog. What about cats that scratch furniture?
Cats need to scratch to keep their claws healthy. Provide scratching posts and trim their nails regularly.
Good advice. And never punish pets harshly. Positive reinforcement works much better.
I agree completely. Reward good behavior with treats, praise, and attention.
Speaking of attention, let's talk about the social needs of pets. Do they need friends?
Some pets do better in pairs, especially social animals like rabbits or birds.
Dogs are pack animals, so they often enjoy having another dog around.
But cats can be happy alone or with other cats, depending on their personality.
It's important to introduce new pets slowly and carefully.
Yes, sudden changes can stress animals. Let them get used to each other gradually.
What about when people travel? What should they do with their pets?
There are several options. Pet sitters can come to your house and take care of your pets.
That's great for pets who are nervous about new places. What about boarding kennels?
Boarding facilities are good for social pets who enjoy being around other animals.
And some hotels now allow pets, so you can travel with your furry friends.
Just make sure to call ahead and check the hotel's pet policy.
Don't forget to bring your pet's favorite toys and blankets to help them feel comfortable.
Great tip. Familiar smells can help reduce stress in new environments.
Now, let's talk about the costs of owning pets. It's important for people to understand the financial commitment.
The initial costs include the adoption fee, food and water bowls, toys, and a bed or carrier.
Don't forget about ongoing costs like food, which can be expensive for larger dogs.
Veterinary care is probably the biggest expense. Regular checkups, vaccinations, and emergency visits add up.
Pet insurance can help with unexpected medical costs, but it's an additional monthly expense.
Grooming is another cost, especially for dogs with long hair or cats that need professional nail trimming.
And if you travel, you'll need to budget for pet sitting or boarding services.
Despite all these costs, most pet owners agree that the love and joy pets bring is worth every penny.
Absolutely. The emotional benefits of pet ownership are immeasurable.
Pets can help reduce stress, provide comfort during difficult times, and encourage physical activity.
Studies show that petting animals can lower blood pressure and release feel-good hormones.
Children who grow up with pets often learn empathy and responsibility at a young age.
And elderly people with pets tend to be happier and more active than those without.
It's amazing how much positive impact animals can have on human lives.
They truly are wonderful companions. Let's talk about seasonal pet care. Different seasons bring different challenges.
That's a great point. In summer, pets need protection from heat and plenty of fresh water.
Never leave pets in hot cars. Even for a few minutes, it can be deadly.
And be careful about hot pavement burning your dog's paws during walks.
Winter brings its own challenges. Pets with short hair might need sweaters or coats.
Salt on sidewalks can hurt pets' paws, so wipe them clean after winter walks.
Indoor heating can make the air very dry, so make sure pets have access to water.
Spring is allergy season for pets too. Watch for excessive scratching or sneezing.
And fall means pets might be shedding their summer coats. Regular brushing helps.
Each season also brings different foods that might be dangerous to pets.
Like chocolate during Halloween and holiday seasons, keep all human treats away from pets.
Some plants that bloom in spring and summer can also be toxic to animals.
It's always better to research before bringing new plants into a home with pets.
Speaking of safety, let's discuss pet-proofing your home.
Remove or secure anything small that pets might swallow, like coins or rubber bands.
Keep cleaning products, medications, and chemicals in locked cabinets.
Secure loose electrical cords so pets don't chew on them and get shocked.
And install safety gates to keep pets out of certain areas if necessary.
And always have your veterinarian's emergency contact information easily accessible.
These safety measures can prevent accidents and keep your beloved pets healthy.
Wow, Emily, talking about all these aspects of pet ownership has made me appreciate how much goes into caring for animals.
It really is a big responsibility, but also an incredible privilege to share our lives with these amazing creatures.
They do indeed. Well, Emily, talking about pets has made me want to go home and play with Max.
Me too. I can't wait to give Luna some cuddles when I get home.
We've covered so much today. Different types of pets, pet care, and the joys of having animal companions.
We talked about feeding, exercise, vet visits, and the special bond between pets and their owners.
And we practiced some useful vocabulary and phrases for talking about pets.
This was such a fun episode. I hope our listeners enjoyed learning about pets with us.
I'm sure they did. Pets are a topic that brings people together.
That's so true. Almost everyone has a pet story or loves animals.
It's a great way to start conversations and make new friends.
And it's excellent practice for English learners who want to share about their own pets.
Absolutely. Well, our time is almost up for today.
Yes, it is. But before we go, we wanted to say a big thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you. Everyone, we hope you had fun learning about pets with us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next episode.
And we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us about your pet.
Yes, what kind of pet do you have? What's its name? We would love to read your answers.
It will be so interesting to see what kinds of pets our listeners have.
And if you don't have a pet, tell us what pet you would like to have someday.
Great idea, Mark. Okay, that's all for today. Until next time, keep practicing and have fun learning English.
Goodbye, everyone. Give your pets a hug from us.
Bye. See you next time.